Okay, all right. I'd like to welcome mm, um, all of you on Indian stock market analysis session, and we are going to and today we are on uh, Indian stock market, and today we are going to analyze company listed in Indian stock market. When is on today's turn is Ntpc. I and this company may be new for me also, and it is listed on National Stock Exchange of India with 365.40 INR as a latest LTP. And up to one day, its stock price decrease fall down by 1.15 percentage, 5 day minus 2.56, 1 month 1.30, 6 month 41.66, year to date 17.12, 1 year 108.86, 5 year 178.82, all time high 398.27, and market cap is around 3.58 trillion INR, dividend yield 2.10, price to earning ratio 18.40, uh, basic EPS 20.10, net income 169.13, revenue 1.73 trillion, shares float 4.74 billion, beta 1.29, and it belongs to utility sector. Let me wear sunglasses. And when you are using a laptop or any electronic gadget, always try to use protection for blue light filter. Current CEO is Gurdeep Singh. Website is ntpc.co.in. Headquarters is in New Delhi. Employee 135.1K. Founded in 1975. And we'll see brief overview of this company. Ntpc Limited engage in the generation of electric power in coal-based terminal power plant. It operates through the generation of energy and other segment. The generation of energy segment involves the generation of sale of bulk power to the state power utility. The other segment include provision of consultancy, project management, and supervision, energy trading, oil and gas exploration, and coal mining. The company was founded in November 7, 1975, and headquarters is in New Delhi, India. And we will see about its brief financial with ownership structure closely held share 4.96 billion, 51.12 percentage, free float share 4.74 billion, 48.88 percentage, capital structure 3.58 trillion, enterprise value 3.58, price to earning ratio 18.38x, price to sales ratio 2.05x, and this one is revenue 1.15 trillion, and this one is net income is around 195, and this one is market cap 1.58 trillion, valuation ratio PE 9.75, PS 1.36, PE 7.18, PS 0.77, PE 7.16, PS 0.95, PE 7.85, PS 1.01, PE 10.05, PS 0.98. Growth and profitability 2018 revenue 987.76 billion INR, net income 137.37 billion INR, net margin 13.91, revenue 1.0 trillion INR, net income 116.00 billion, net margin 10.72 percentage, revenue 1.01 trillion, 1.10 trillion INR, net income 146.35 billion INR, net margin 13.28 percentage, revenue 1.30 trillion INR, net income 166.76 billion INR, net margin 12.82 percentage, revenue 1.73 trillion INR, net income 169.13 billion INR, net margin 9.80 percentage, revenue 1.73 trillion INR, COGS minus 1.33 trillion INR, gross profit 399.63 billion INR, operating expenses minus 69.73 billion INR, operating income 330.26 billion INR, not non-operating income expenses minus 94.75, taxes and other minus 66.38, Net income 169.13 billion INR. Revenue breakdown. Generation of energy with 95.24%, 1.66 trillion. By country, India, EPS estimate, actual EPS 992.07 billion INR, estimate 1.04 trillion INR, and stock price is in decrease other minus 52.52 billion INR, and we will see is actual revenue 1.16 trillion INR, estimate 1.17 trillion INR, stock price minus 7.04 billion, actual 1.64, estimate 1.54, stock price 93 6.02 percentage, actual 1.79, estimate 1.74, and earning ratio, actual earning ratio 14.66, estimate 13.75, actual 15.74, estimate 15.42, actual 17, estimate for 17.40, actual 19.80, estimate 19.43, estimate 23.16 INR, and dividend yield 2.03 percentage, last payment 2.25, last ex tax February 6, 2024. And this one, this green bar indicate payout ratio, and this one is earning return, and this one is dividend per share 5.48 INR, dividend yield 4.05 percentage, dividend per share 3.15 INR, dividend yield 3.74 percentage, dividend per share 6.15 INR, dividend yield 5.78 percentage, and this one is dividend per share 7 INR, dividend yield 5.19 percentage, dividend per share 7.25 INR, dividend yield 4.14 percentage, and we will see is debt and level debt and coverage. Debt mine 1.73 trillion INR, free cash flow 143.57 billion, cash and equivalent 19.91 billion, debt 2.01 trillion, free cash flow minus 70.16 billion, cash and equivalent 21.99 billion, debt 2.10 trillion, free cash flow minus 6.17 billion, cash and equivalent 26.51. Debt 1.11 trillion, free cash flow 54, cash and equivalent 25.84, debt 2.22 trillion, free cash flow 5.60, cash and equivalent 32, and this one total assets 684, total liabilities 845, total assets 4 trillion, liabilities 2.30 trillion, and we will see its statement. Statement will be seen over here. Over total revenue, I will straightly year-wise revenue. I study year-wise revenue 803.35, 853.13, 987, 1.08, 1.10, 1.30, 1.73, 1.75. Cost of goods sold minus 635.59, minus 693.21, minus 781.36, minus 824.97, minus 835.02, minus 996.70, minus 1.33, minus 1.26, gross profit 167.76, 159.92, 206.40, 257.07, 266.66, 303.78, 399.63, 492.24, operating expenses minus 19.79, minus 17.23, minus 23.15, minus 29.83, minus 46.77, minus 48.91, minus 69.37, minus 161.65. Operating income 147, 142, 183, 227, 219, 254, 330, 330.59. Non-operating income minus 19.95, minus 17.40, minus 36.31, minus 67.52, minus 71.86, minus 51.85, minus 94.75, minus 99.89. Pre-tax income 128, 125.29, 146.54, 159. 0.72, 148.03, 195, 235, 230. Equity earning 6.25, 4.45, 6.72, 4.05, 6.84, 10.20, 7.80, 17.23. Tax minus 29, minus 56, 27, 93, 24, 50, 67, 65. Non-controlling minority interest 57, 424, minus 2.98, minus 3.02, minus 3.35, minus 2.84, 2.09, 2.10. Tax other income expenses 2.63, 3.25, minus 4.71, 48.72, minus 19.03, 14.86, minus 14.13, 15.04. Net income before discounted operation 107.20, 105, 137, 116, 146, 166, 169, 195. Net income 107.20, 105.44, 137.37, 116, 146, 166, 169, 195. Diluted net income 107, 105, 137, 116, 146, 166, 169, 195. Basic earning per share 1.8, 10.83, 10.66, 13.88, 11.12, 14.87, 17.20, 17.44. Average basic share outstanding 9.89, 9.89, 9.89, 9.89, 9.84, 9.70, 9.70. Diluted share 9.89 billion, 9.89, and last one is 9.70. EBITDA 200, 8.07, 217, 269, 330, 344, 392, 478, 888. EBIT 147, 142, 183, 227, 219, 254, 330, 330. Total operating expenses 500, 655, 710, 804, 854, 810, 1.05 trillion, 1.40 trillion, 1.42 trillion. And balance sheet will be shown here. Total AC is 2.59, 2.84, 3.58, 3.91, 4.15, 4.36, 3.4.68. Total liabilities 1.60, 1.80, 2.44, 2.67, 2.83, 2.95, 3.15. Total equity 976, 1.05, 1.14, 1.22, 1.29, 1.39, 1.51. Total liabilities and shareholder equity 2.59, 2.84, 2.58, 3.91, 4.15, 4.36, 4.68. Total debt 1.14, 1.30, 1.73, 2.01, 2.10, 2.11, 2.22. Total net debt 1.10, 1.26, 1.70, 1.97, 2.05, 2.06, 2.17, book value 97.84, 104, 112, 120, 129, 139, 151. In cash from operating activity 129, 114, 72, 112, 226, 298, 253. Cash from investing minus 247, minus 210, minus 241, minus 303, minus 245, minus 236, minus 262. Cash from financing activity 107, 96, 164, 194, 22, minus 64, 6.68. Free cash flow 1, minus 114.87, minus 73.21, minus 143.57, minus 70.16, minus 6.17, minus 54.00, minus 5.60. An statement will be shown. Key ratio: total common share outstanding 9.70 billion. Price to earning ratio 8.07, 9.14, 9.37, 10.05, 10.28, 12.45, 15.47, 18.38. Price to sales ratio 0.95, 0.98, 0.95, 0.96, 1.14, 1.35, 1.72, 2.05. Price to book ratio 1.09, 1.16, 1.55, 2.33. Enterprise value 3.76, 3.90, 4.57, 3.58. Enterprise value 8.52, 8.11, 8.80, 2.34. Return on SC star 3.99, 3.74, 4.28. Return on equity 12.49, 11.98, 12.96. Return on invested capital 5.22, 5.17, 5.66. Gross margin 22.90, 23.95, 35.76, 28.22, 27.70, 27.76, 28.76. Operating margin 16.80, 16.39, 24.13, 18.29, 20.97, 19.21, 17.02. EBITDA margin 25, 24, 32, 26, 29, 28, 26, 26. Net margin 9.12, 7.56, 10.71, 10.98, 11.31, 10.26, 12.04, 12.04. Quick ratio 0.65, 0.59, 0.74. Current ratio 0.80, 0.71. Inventory turnover 11.26, 7.94, assist turnover 0.37, debt to assist ratio 0.51, 0.47, 0.41, debt to equity ratio 1.58, 1.51, 1.45, long term debt to total assist ratio 0.43, 0.40, 0.42, long term debt to total equity ratio 1.34, 1.29, 1.25. And dividend we will analyze is dividend 2016 it pay dividend 3.98, 4.27, 5.48, 3.15, 6.15, 7.37.25. Dividend yield 2.88, 3.02, 4.05, 3.74, 5.78, 5.79, 4.14. Payout ratio 36.77, 40.04, 39.50, 26.87, 41.37, 40.70, 41.37. Earning we will see. So earning reported 10.09, 11.20, 12.30, 14.66, 15.74, 17.10, 19.80. Estimate 10.47, 10.94, 12.51, 13.75, 15.42, 17.40, 19.43, 23.16, 25.20, 25.54, 25.79. Reported 834, 904, 917, 922, 1.16, 1.64, 1.79. Estimate 847, 936, 1, 1.04, 1.17, 1.54, 1.74, 1.90, 2.01, 2.13 trillion. And revenue in the generation of energy 779, 795, 876, 1.02, 1.04, 1.24, 1.66. Others 33.14, 65.87, 75.66, 75.03, 73.22, 75.70, 82.76. Revenue India 800, 12, 861, 952, 1.09, 1.11, 1.33, 1.76. And we will see is forecast. And forecast up to 1 year maximum gain will be 35.47 percentage 495. Average will be 9.23 percentage 399. Current 365. Minimum 258 with loss of minus 29.39 percentage. And technical of 1 month technical will be shown over here. 1 month of technical indicator RSI 89.20, stochastic 91.75, commodity channel index 141, average directional index 65, awesome oscillator 143, momentum 147, MACD level 54, stochastic fast 100, Williams percent range minus 7.07, bull bear power 147.57, ultimate oscillator 71.63, exponential moving average 305.87, simple moving average 299, exponential moving average 258, simple moving average 238, exponential moving average 229, simple moving average 208, exponential moving average 197, simple moving average 664, exponential moving average 165, simple moving average 148, exponential moving average 150, simple moving average 200, Ichimochi baseline 257, volume weightage moving average 249, all moving average 374, support third no, support second 110, support first 210, pivot 263, resistance first 363, resistance second 416, resistance third 568, Fibonacci support third 110, support second 168, support first 204, pivot point 263, resistance 321, resistance second 357, resistance third 416, Carmelia 269, 283, 297, 263, 325, 339, 353, Udi 82.57, 112.56, 235.52, 275.51, 388.48, 428.46, 541, support first 236, 276, 389, and we will see it's on super chart also. Trying to see it on super chart will be very easy. Ntpc will minimize this. And we will minimize this also. It couldn't be minimized, and we will see it All time chart frame. Chart isn't shown over here. We couldn't see any chart. We'll go through web. Mm. NTPC chart. NTPC CSA chart. and the trading behavior. Chart is shown over here. I think it will also again show this sister trading panel. Why chart isn't shown here? I need chart. Oh, trading chart is under. This volume chart is on upper. Okay. Now chart is shown. And we will move it all to all time high time frame. This is based on its market cap. So, and we couldn't move it to LTP. It is based, and it is based on its LTP also. And LTP is on left side. No, LTP is on right side, and market cap is on left side of the screen. So I think this is again in the support. This is again in this resistance panel, or the stock can be seen over this time frame. Resistance panel is over here, and here may be the support. But the chart isn't clear yet, so it is very difficult to analyze. And this is the resistance panel, and over up time below this is support panel, and over up there is a resistance panel. Okay, this much for today. Have a great